Hello and welcome to Royal Power Solutions discussion of high power lockbox technology. What is high power lockbox? It's the first new terminal technology introduced to the automotive industry in the last 40 years that is truly revolutionary. Well, how is high power lockbox different from any technology out there today? Box and blade terminal technology is what's available today. It's a traditional male blade, female box, whereby the male blade enters into a female box, which has a spring in it. When this system sees heat and vibration energy, this spring wants to relax and reduce normal force, increasing resistance, generating more heat faster. How is HPLB different? HPLB absolutely inverts all existing terminal technology. By this I mean, the spring that's used in our terminal to create normal force is located inside of our terminal, not outside. By locating the spring inside our terminal, when our system goes together and it sees heat and vibration, our internal spring relaxes outward. And as it relaxes outward, it actually increases normal force. By increasing the normal force, our contact resistance and our voltage drops both reduce. This is the only terminal system on the market that as the environment harshens, temperatures increase, vibration increases, our performance increases. No other terminal system on the market today can make that claim, and HPLB has testing, validation, information available to anyone to come see what our terminal can do. Now one might ask, is this system scalable? The answer is absolutely. This terminal technology is so simple it can go down as small as 1.5 millimeter. We refer to this as pico HPLB. Or it can go as large as RD14, meaning it has a round form and it's 14 millimeters in diameter, and this terminal can carry over 500 amps of continuous carrying amperage. So what makes HPLB a value for our customers? The resistance created in our connection is only 0.03 milliohms. A traditional competitor's is 0.3 milliohms. Multiply each of those times 4,000 or 5,000 connections in a vehicle system, and there's a significant difference in heat generation as a result of resistance. Well, that's great. That means we don't have to mitigate as much heat, but what's another value for that? The other value is that more of that energy that we're not wasting in heat goes to propulsion or infotainment or ADAS or anything. Commercially, this terminal is very efficient in terms of how it's manufactured. Now, when compared to a machined terminal with an external spring, our system is manufactured in a high-speed stamping and assembly operation. Very efficient in terms of material, manpower, and time to manufacture. A machined round terminal takes minutes to manufacture, where our HPLB terminal takes seconds to manufacture. These are all attributes and design differentiators that create HPLB value in the market today, and we'd be very happy to discuss this in person with you at Royal Power Solutions.